Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and I'm here to show you the new features at pianotechnique.org, my lesson video site, which my student Jovan Hadjiđurić has been running for years. Uh, uh, when you go to pianotechnique.org, if you click on the teddy bear, you can see curated material. These are little mini-series that Jovan has created showing some aspect of piano thematics in nice 5-minute bits, very digestible. And over here we have the workshops. So uh, now I'm running a Pianimals Online Institute, which is 8 weeks covering the 8 sections of Pianimals and showing you how to apply the Pianimals exercises to your own playing and with your students. It's been very popular, and this is the 6th iteration starting April 20th, running through the June 29th. You're welcome to register. I'll show you that at the end of the video. But now let's say you want to go back and watch one of the iterations of this institute that's already passed. Let's go back all the way to the beginning. So you click on the institute and look what you have. You have all the awareness through movement lessons, all the individual lessons taught to pianists, applying the ideas of Pianimals to repertoire, and the question and answer sessions, which are lectures. Let's say you want to search for something specific, you can just look at the lectures alone in that list. Or you want to find one of the lessons, there's the entire lesson list, and here's the entire awareness through piano movement lesson list. Let's say you want to find your own lesson or a specific lesson you saw taught to somebody else. We can come right here, and there's an entire list of all the people who got individual lessons. So there, Kathleen only had one lesson in this series, and you click on it, and here we are. It's in speaker view so that you can very quickly and very astutely see what's going on in the pianist's hand. And you can, once you've, we better stop that. And you can mark it completed once you've watched it. You can download it if you need to. You can copy it to your own library. So you can have one place on pianotechnique.org where all your lessons are separated into their own folder for easy access. And if you claim this video, I'm going to lie a little bit here and claim this for myself, you can set your privacy settings. Only me. Nobody else can watch it. Or all the other workshop participants can watch it, and all the other pianotechnique.org subscribers can watch it. So none of this is out there on YouTube for millions and millions of people to watch. We're very, very careful about our privacy settings. Now, so this gives you a really wonderful look at all the possibilities for learning at pianotechnique.org and for reviewing your own institute material. There we are, all 25 of us ready to learn together online. Oh yes, I said I was going to tell you about the Pianimals Online Institute in both its past iterations and its upcoming iteration. We're beginning the 6th version of this institute on April 20th, running through till July 29th, and you can find that one right here at the Piano Thematics website. If you want to register immediately, you come down here. You can buy one session or up to the entire 8 sessions. You can add individual lessons if you want to have a lesson with me, a special low price following the Institute Awareness Through Piano Movement lecture. And you can purchase recordings of the lessons, the sessions that you missed. Okay? Now, this Pianimals 8 weeks online, which explains all about how to use Pianimals for you and for your pupils, has already happened 5 times, and the first 5 iterations can be found here. Now, the very first one was had a lot of people attending, and there were a lot of lessons following the Awareness Through Piano Movement lecture. So if you want to see how Pianimals applies to the repertoire in various situations, you can see there's all sorts of repertoire here, from very simple things to quite complex things. Then pick the Pianimals 1 or Pianimals 2. But later on, we had a smaller group, far fewer lessons following the lectures. So in those instances, I kind of expanded the lecture about each section of Pianimals so that we went into more detail, actually. So you can take your pick depending on which aspect of the Pianimals ideas you would like to explore in deepest depths. Hoping you have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you at one of my institutes. And until then, take care.